Hello children and welcome to our EVS class. In today's class we shall learn a new topic. The jobs people do. We have already studied about the places in our neighborhood in our previous class. These places are bustling with activities all the time. Some people work there. Others go there to take their help. This work of a person is its occupation or job. When they work, they get money. From that money, they run their living and buy things to run their homes. People have different jobs. Let's find out about them one by one. A shopkeeper sells goods like sugar, grains, pulses, salt, and many other household items. He is also called grocer. A milkman brings us milk. A chemist sells medicines. A farmer grows crops, vegetables, and fruits. A gardener cares for plants in the garden. A florist decorates and sells flowers. A potter makes pots out of clay and mud. A doctor treats patients. A nurse takes care of patients. A dentist corrects teeth ailments. They all work for the welfare of their patients. A teacher teaches new things. A principal runs a school. A sweeper sweeps floors. A coach helps you learn sports. These people work in a school. A cobbler repairs shoes. A blacksmith makes things of iron and other metals. A barber trims hairs. A tailor stitches clothes. A porter carries bags, luggages of passengers. A goldsmith works with gold, silver. A weaver weaves clothes. A watchman watches factories, shops, and houses. A driver drives vehicles around. A postman delivers post. A policeman keeps law and order. A fireman puts out fire. A washerman washes clothes. A mechanic repairs machines. An architect draws plans and designs houses. A mason works with stone and lays bricks. A plumber works with pipe, sink, pots. A carpenter works with wood, makes windows and doors. An electrician does the electric work of the house. A painter paints the house. A maid cleans the house. These people work to build or manage a house, big or small. All jobs and all people must be respected. In short, let us summarize what we have learned today.